So we have all the form fields that we want: the name, the address, the phone number, the website, the rating for my students, and just save. Well, I have the website, but I don't have the email. I forgot the email. So let me add the email now. It's pretty easy. We know how to do this. Let me just add here. Edit text. We know the layout width is to match its parents. The height is to wrap the exactly amount that it's required for a text field. And then a hint, which is the email. So let me save, run, and we have the email fields. That's pretty good. I can click here and type the email. For example, Guilherme at, where's the at here? Oh, it's pretty painful to click here and then click on the at and then click back here and keep typing the email. What is going on? So the thing is, this keyboard here is just the traditional keyboard. It's not an email-based keyboard. What does it mean? It means that in Android we have several different types of keyboards. We have numeric keyboards, we have generic keyboard, which is this one, and we have the email keyboard. When you're typing in your email, you're not typing text. You don't want to use the point, this dot here, or the comma. That's not the most useful things. Well, actually use the dot a lot, not the comma. But you want the at symbol also, because you always use the at when you're typing in your email. In really random cases, it's really rare not to use it. But you always typing the at symbol. And where's the at symbol here? It's pretty painful. So when we are deciding what is the type of this text field, we can tell Android, okay, Android, this is here. Here we have this input type. It's text, email, address. That's the type of keyboard that I require. Well, actually, it's the type of input that I have. What Android is going to do with this information, I have no idea. Well, I know what it's going to do with it. So whenever I click on the email field, it displays the keyboard for the email type. So actually, I'm giving a hint to Android, to the system, that this text field is a text field for an email field. So do whatever you can to help me. For example, show me the emails that you know that are mine, or show me the @ sign because I want to use the @ sign when I'm typing my email, or the dot, and so on. So it's the keyboard that it's changed because I told that this text field is an input that is related to an email field. So those are the benefits of choosing the input type correctly for your field. Always remember to choose the correct input type. Please, please, please. How many times have we opened apps and we have to type in our email and you start typing it, for example, Guilherme, and then you use the dots only for it to give you a space automatically and give you uppercase and everything that you don't want when you're typing in your email. Or when you have a pure number field and you have a keyboard such as this one. No, if you're using a pure number field, you're asking for an integer, for example, then please tell me that this is a text input related to integers, to numbers that are integers, and then it helps Android to show the correct keyboard. So always remember that you can use the input type and you can Google the documentation for all the input types available and choose the one that is that's proper for your necessity. So right now we are using the input type for emails, right? So we're going to do something next, but remember, emails, be careful about them.